In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT unusual activity error. Let's get started. First, I'm going to head up to the top right corner of my browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open up the browser menu. From the drop-down list, I'll navigate down and click on Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions from the side menu. This opens up a list of all my active browser extensions. I'll scroll down through the list until I find my VPN provider, which in this case is NordVPN. I'll click the toggle switch on the lower right corner of the extension card to turn it off completely. Once that's done, I can close this tab and head back over to the main ChatGPT page. Now, to test it further, I'll go back up to those three dots in the top right corner and open up the browser menu once again. This time, I'm going to select New Incognito Window to get a completely fresh session. In the address bar of the incognito window, I'll type out ChatGPT and press Enter to perform a search. I'll click on the first official link that appears in the search results to pull up the main site. Once the page loads, I'll navigate to the top right corner and click on the Log In button. A prompt will appear offering a few different ways to connect. I'll choose the field at the bottom to enter my email address manually and hit Continue. This redirects me to the official OpenAI sign-in page, where my email is already populated. I'll click Next to proceed, and then I'll carefully type out my account password into the input field. After completing the password, I'll click the Next button once more. The system will process the credentials and redirect me directly into the active ChatGPT dashboard interface. Next, let's look at another method to clear up any lingering issues. Once again, I'll click the three dots in the upper right corner to activate the browser menu. I'll scroll down the options and select Delete Browsing Data. A settings modal pops up right away. I'll first click the Show More drop-down link at the bottom of the list to reveal all the available parameters. I'll make sure the time range is set to All Time. Once those are verified, I'll click the blue Delete Data button in the bottom right corner of the window. The browser will take a quick second to clear everything out. Finally, if the error still persists after clearing your data, you can try performing a quick system restart. I'll go down to the bottom left corner of the desktop and click on the Windows Start menu button. Then, I'll click on the power icon located in the lower right area of the panel. From the small pop-up list that appears, I'll click on Restart to let the PC safely shut down and boot back up fresh. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.